It's now clear that Rahul Gandhi will not be named as the Congress's prime ministerial candidate despite a clamour from party leaders attending a crucial Congress Working Committee meeting in Delhi. While many in the party had urged that the 43-year-old formally run for prime minister, his mother, party president Sonia Gandhi, said the Congress traditionally does not name a candidate before voting is held and that Rahul will lead the campaign but won't be named PM contender, a decision that was then endorsed by the group.
सभी सदस्य चाहते थे कि जैसा आप अनुमान लगा रहे हैं काफी समय से कि उन्हें प्रधानमंत्री पद का उम्मीदवार घोषित किया जाए, लेकिन ये जब चर्चा काफी सीमा तक हो चुकी तो कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष ने बीच में इंटरवीन किया। उन्होंने ये कहा कि कांग्रेस की ऐसी कोई परंपरा नहीं है।
जितने भी पोल्स आ रहे हैं वो तुलना करते हैं और दोनों के भीतर अंतर बहुत बड़ा होता है और इसलिए वो अंतर ना दिखे ये इनकी रणनीति हो सकती है।
Well, join me now for more on this is my colleague Sunil Prabhu. Sunil, earlier this week Rahul Gandhi said he was ready for whatever the party wanted to hoist on him in terms of responsibilities. Now finally all speculation has ended. What was the reasoning behind this decision?
Well, I think, Sarah, firstly, I think he's always ready for whatever the party decided and will continue to do so. The fact is that the Congress, as the Congress president herself indicated, has traditionally never supported anybody for a prime ministerial candidate. That has never been the practice. Traditionally, right from the time of Indira Gandhi, or be it Rajiv Gandhi, they've never projected a prime ministerial candidate. It's understood. That's what senior Congress leaders would like people to believe. It's understood that Rahul Gandhi will be the prime ministerial candidate by default because he'll be leading the election campaign. It does not need to be stated just because the BJP has done so, or for example, many other political parties would like to name their prime ministerial candidate. Having said that, this is an era of coalition politics. The fact that Mrs. Gandhi indicated very clearly that there is already a prime minister at present and we can't announce a prime ministerial candidate while we have a prime minister. So I think respect needs to be given to that. The prime minister himself has indicated that he's ready to hand over the baton and he hopes to hand over that baton to UPA 3. But whether that happens or not is a difficult question to answer. That's an answer that the people of this country will have to do so. But I think in the next day, when we see the AICC session, we're going to see that clamour of support continue unabated, where they will continue to ask for Rahul Gandhi to be projected as a prime ministerial candidate. But I think the Congress president's word is final on this matter, and we'll have to wait and see how things evolve tomorrow.